已經入紙註冊結婚嘅陳智新同埋宋希蓮，經常喺網上放閃光彈，依家仲想做埋 YouTuber 添。佢哋兩個開咗個 YouTube channel， 將自己嘅生活拍低同網民開心 share 喎。
So when you make pork chop, use that hammer thing and you dab. It tenderizes the meat.
I think it's 今晚食谷種。
That's not gonna happen. If you were cooking, it would happen.
買完餸就要睇下宋希蓮嘅廚藝先啦。
Gotta enjoy my work.
Kitchen party. My kitchen's not for party. My kitchen is for serious business. Whoa, that was hot, baby.
好唔好食就唔知啦，不過女方咁落力，男方梗係要做補償啦。
隨便睇，隨便揀。邊度好？OK， 使唔使俾大你啊？其實咧我盒都唔使啦。